What's up, Knights? I'm Zoey Chambers.
And I'm Kylin Sabatano, and you're watching The Royal Report. So, Zoey, what did you do this weekend?
I actually had a jet ski race in Parker. What did you do?
I spent my whole weekend preparing Easter baskets.
I'm so glad you said that because I totally forgot. Kylin, you gotta help me. I don't even know what to get or how to make it look pretty yet affordable. Please help me.
Don't worry, I made a video, so let's go check it out. How to make an easy yet affordable Easter basket. First, you want to start off with grabbing some of their favorite candy. We're going to use this candy as our walls of our basket. So start off by seeing where you just want everything. Then we're going to take some hot glue and start gluing everything together. You're going to want to make sure that you line the corners up. And then I added some hot glue on the inside of what's going to be the basket, just for some added support. Then we're just going to let those dry. And then once they're dried, we can add on the other side. Now you have what's going to be your basket. On the bottom, you're going to want to cut out a piece of cardboard that will fit the bottom and then just glue it on. Once you have the bottom placed onto the basket, it's ready to be filled. And here's the finished basket. I filled mine with tissue paper, Starbucks gift card, a candle, and some Easter eggs with extra treats. What do you think?
I think it's perfect. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Hold up. I think there's something else I'm forgetting.
What's that?
Have you seen those beautiful dresses out in the hallway?
Yeah, I heard that the fashion design class made them to sell for prom.
Let's get some more info on that.
I am Julia Finney, teacher of fashion and nutrition at Lake Havasu High School. Operation Prom is an organization that is actually outside of Lake Havasu High School that collects donations of prom dresses, lightly used, some new, and brings them into Lake Havasu High School for students who may not have the resources to purchase a prom dress, and allows them to obtain a prom dress for little to no cost. The original intention for Operation Prom was to provide prom dresses for those that are disadvantaged so that they could still participate in prom and have a beautiful dress. There is not. There is a request for a non-perishable food item donation, but no student will be turned away if they can't do that. Operation Prom was started in Lake Havasu City by a woman by the name of Angela, and she is still the one who runs it today. She collects those donations from the community, and with the assistance of our fashion program here at Lake Havasu High School, we bring those in and make posters and just kind of let everybody know about the event and hope that everybody gets a dress. After Operation Prom, the dress stays with the person who chose it, so it's a dress that they get to keep. If they choose to donate it back to the program, they can, but the dresses that are not chosen stay within the program and they're brought back the following year. So if you are looking for a prom dress and would like to participate in Operation Prom, you will be able to visit the dressing rooms in the PAC during lunch and after school on Thursday and Friday. So all lunches and after school Thursday and Friday.
Those dresses are absolutely beautiful.
I know, right? Plus, I gotta give them props for working with those scary looking needles, but I'm sure they're safe and know what they're doing.
That reminds me, speaking of safety, there's a fire safety class at school.
I heard about that. Don't they have some type of benefits for taking those classes too?
I'm not sure, but we'll find out.
I'm Jaden Baker, and I'm a senior.
I'm Ian Smith, and I'm a junior.
Well, we sit in a classroom, go over PowerPoints and learn the basics, and then we get to go outside and then try it out.
Yeah, we get to do it with a bunch of real firefighters that volunteer their time when they're off shift.
Well, I'm taking it because I want to be a firefighter and save some lives, so.
Yeah, I want to get ahead on academy, so it makes it a little easier to get through. I'd probably say the Moxie Pat, which is you have a bundle of hose that you carry up, 20 flights of stairs, and then you have to drag a dummy, 200-pound dummy, and then you gotta smash in a door, and then you gotta do a mock ceiling penetration test, and then you have to raise a 25-foot ladder.
Well, for high school, we go every single day, first and second period, and then every other Thursday, we have the fire station that we go to.
That looks like a pretty cool class to take.
Yeah, but making crafts like Easter baskets are more my thing.
I'll bet.
All right, well, that's all we have for you today night. I'm Kylin Sabatano.
And I'm Zoey Chambers, and don't forget to take it one race at a time.
You should